everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today I have another Easter little DIY decor video for you guys, and again another charger plate makeover. I have another few charger plates that are the gold colour that no longer suit our decor, so I'm going to give them a makeover and make them a little bit more Eastery so that they can be our Easter charger plates. What you're going to need for this project is obviously some charger plates. These are just the cheap plastic ones from Kmart. The other thing you're going to need is some chalk paint. Now I make my own chalk paint, so this is just regular interior wall paint in white that I've just added some plaster of Paris to, and I will leave the recipe in the description box below of the quantities that I use. The other thing you're going to need is some images. Now these images I've just printed off the internet, and the ones I've chosen to use are these two. So I've got two of each, so I've got two of those ones and two of those ones. And then the other thing you'll need is just some general PVA all-purpose glue. So let's get started. So what you're going to do first is just paint your charger plate with whatever color you like. I'm going for a rustic farmhouse type feel to mine because that's the decor that I like at the moment, and I like to use chalk paint because I just find that it sticks to everything a lot better and gives it all a thicker coating as well. And they're probably going to need a couple of coats anyway. Okay guys, so I've given them 2 coats of the chalk paint now, and they're all nice and dry. Our next step now, we're going to stick our bunnies on the top. What I'm going to do first is tear around it so that the edges isn't such a sharp edge. He's going to sit on there like that. Okay, so once your bunny's glued on, reasonably dry, what we're going to start doing now is using the same paint that we painted the plate with, and we're just going to feather out the edges, just to blend that bunny in a little bit so that the edges aren't so stark. Okay, and then what you're going to do is just very lightly fan over it as well, and that will just age the picture a little bit and make it look like it's more part of the plate. See, like that? See the difference? One looks a lot more part of the plate. So just do that same thing to each of the other plates. Now that the paint's dry, the last stage or the last step in this process is to just give a coating over the whole plate with some more glue. This will do a couple of things. It will help to, if you've got any air bubbles or creases in your picture, it will help to tighten them up and they will start to disappear, but it will also just give it a protective coating, pretty much the same as Mod Podge. So we're just going to put a whole layer of glue over each charger plate now. Well, there you go guys, that's the Easter plate's all finished now. All the glue's dried and all the paint and everything is dry. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video guys, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm more than happy to answer them, so just leave your question in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Husband on his lawnmower. Seriously? Seriously? Like, really? Really?